So the V squat, what we need to be thinking about, first of all, is our feet position. Now, I want you guys to go just wider than hip width into a comfortable position. Toes are gonna go outwards a little bit, and therefore that's gonna give us the most depth that we can possibly get. The second consideration I want you guys to think about is making sure that your back is up against that backrest at all times. As soon as you perform this exercise and your back comes off that backrest, that means you've exceeded your range. Now Lee's gonna perform a couple of reps to show you, nice and slowly, and you can see that's probably about that range there. You want your whole foot on this platform. You don't want your toes raising or your heels raising. Perform another one, nice and slowly on the way down. This is where Lee's range is. Everyone will be a bit different, and push a bit more aggressive up. One more time, nice and slowly on the way down. Feet are positioned very well. The whole foot's on the pad, and perfect. And that is the V squat.